What's up, everybody? It is Lavon Cason here, back at it again with another video. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. When you hit the notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications. That way you can be notified for future Lavon Cason videos and future Lavon Cason live stream. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5E. This is one of the tablets that I've been wanting, especially Android tablets. It was either gonna be this or the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and the final decision was Samsung Galaxy Tab S5E. Reason being, it's a little bit more powerful than the S6 Lite. Nothing more, nothing less. And plus also too is using a Snapdragon processor compared to whatever the Samsung Galaxy Tab, S6 Lite is using. So let's get started with the unboxing. I got this from Amazon. It was about, $261, and that right there was a good deal. Normally this thing would be about, about $350 to $400. So I got a good deal on this tablet. So as you can see here, this is the tablet itself. As you can see, alright, so this is the AC adapter, USB-C. Alright, so what's this? What else is this? Okay, so this is the USB-C cable, as you can see here. What's this thing? Okay, so this is, I think, is a quick start guide stuff. Things like that, and USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter. Oh, that's nice. So these are like quick start guides and stuff like that. I think this thing is supposed to allow you to, put in a new SD card and stuff like that. So let's turn on the tablet. How you turn this thing on? I hope this thing has battery. So it does have some power. Come on. Samsung's loading. There we go. Swipe to unlock. And as you can see here, everything is pretty much set up. And also too, I got this thing used, by the way, and it looks very, very new, as you can see here. So there wasn't to be a setup pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna try out some stuff such as, Dolphin emulator, video editing on this tablet, see what this tablet is truly capable of and all that other stuff. But yeah, it was nice that right out the gate it was already set up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace, rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And when you hit the notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications so that way you can be notified for future Lavon Cason videos, live streams, other videos, and Lavon Cason reactions. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.